Ever heard someone say, "It's just a mere detail," and wondered what a mere really means? This simple-looking word is surprisingly powerful, and today we'll break it down in the clearest way possible. The word mere is pronounced mere, and it is used as an adjective. It describes something that is small, unimportant, or not as significant as it may seem. When we call something a mere amount, a mere moment, or a mere detail, we're saying that it is nothing more than or only that. Meaning and definition. Mere means only, nothing more than, or small in importance. It's a way to show that something is simpler, smaller, or less important than someone might think. Synonyms: only, just, bare, minor, insignificant. Antonyms: major, significant, important, substantial. Example sentences. She won the race by a mere second, but that single second changed everything. It was a mere scratch, nothing to worry about. He is a mere beginner now, but he's improving every day. What you call a mere hobby might become a successful career. Think of a mere as a soft word that reduces the weight or importance of something, almost like gently brushing it aside. So next time you hear someone say a mere child, a mere misunderstanding, or a mere formality, you'll know exactly what they mean. Keep building your vocabulary and keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.